Welcome to this brand new series, How to Model a Simple 3D Character in Prisma3D. If you're a beginner or just getting started with 3D modeling, you're in the perfect place. In this step-by-step tutorial series, I'll be showing you how to model a full 3D character using simple methods and easy-to-follow techniques, all on your phone using the Prisma3D app. We'll start by modeling the head, then move on to the sweatshirt, hands, trousers, and shoes. Once the model is complete, we'll move into coloring and texturing, then add some cool lighting, and finally finish with rigging and animation to bring our character to life. Everything will be broken down in a beginner-friendly way. No complicated tools, no confusing techniques, just straightforward steps anyone can follow. So, if you're ready to learn, build your skills, and create your own awesome 3D character, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow along. Let's get started.